So the next traffic light, I would like you to turn right. No, go back here into the left lane. How many arrows are painted here?
2.
Signal to the right for me still, like they're doing.
Okay.
Let's talk about the Empire Theatre turning. Do you remember what was my instructions?
So next road we're turning right.
I says the traffic light, I would like you to turn right. Yeah. As we approaching, it was a 1 lane, and then it becomes 2. Let's talk about the left lane first. Did you see the lane markings?
No, I didn't. I saw the 2 merge first.
No, I'm talking about Empire Theatre.
Yeah. Do you mean for the turning right?
Did you see any arrows
I saw the arrows on the floor, yes.
where the Empire Theatre is?
Yes.
What was there? What was the arrows? What they're telling you?
So
On the left lane.
on the left lane, it's saying you can turn both left and right from there.
Good. And the lane on the right,
It
well,
says you can also turn right from there.
so there was only one arrow. So we now clear now, and in the middle you got a dotted line dividing the 2 lanes. Yeah. So the one what established that we can't go straight, we can only go left or right. The examiners will say to you that turn right at the traffic light, you can use either lane. The instruction was very clear and very simple. Turn right at the traffic light and you can use either lane, and that's it. Now if I would have said to you that turn right at the traffic light and then at the following roundabout turn right again, then which lane would be suitable for you to use?
The right lane.
Because now you have got an instruction giving that you're turning right,
And then right again.
so you keep your car to the right lane. What are the rules in the UK that if you are driving and single lane become 2 and both are going straight, do we use a right lane or do we have to carry on the left lane?
Carry on in the left lane.
What is the purpose for the right lane?
Overtaken.
That's one. What is the other purpose?
Turning right.
But did we supposed to be turning right again at the major roundabout? So we have to use the
Left.
Now if, for example, the left lane only have 2 arrows, left and ahead only, and the right have got the right arrow for right turning, and if I say to you turn right at the traffic light, then of course you have got no other option to use which lane?
The right lane.
But there you can't go straight, you only can go right or left or the right. So we have to use a left lane. But with the mistake other people do, which you didn't do, that as they're going through that bend, so remember this is also going right and this is also going right, so you potentially imagine this is a car, this is a car, both of you going right. What people tend to do, they're on the left lane, what they do, they try to sneak over to their lane. That one mistake. Or people in the right lane, they try to kind of bend and they try to go over the left. No, you have to carry on the lane you have chosen to do at first instance. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Any confusions or any problem with that? Would you want to remember that?
Yeah.
Okay.